Welcome, today I am with Vivo Y52 5G from the European distribution, and today I will show you if this smartphone comes with silicone case, with protective case and the box. So take a look. As you can see, we can find here this silicone case. It's flexible. Let's take a look how it looks on our smartphone. Okay, as you can see, it's easy to put it on, and the smartphone looks like that. So it covers volume buttons. We got good access to the power key and the fingerprint. At the bottom we can find cutout for speakers, USB-C port, microphone, jack 3.5 millimeters, and here we got SIM. If you want to open the SIM tray, you have to remove the case. And the case also is a little bit above our screen, so when you put your phone like that on the flat surface, it's not going to scratch. And when you take a look on the cameras, let me show you. Yeah, they are also a little bit above the camera's set. So the same like in the display, we cannot scratch them when you put them on the surface, on the flat surface. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.